snowed a little bit the last night, so I thought it is maybe a good idea to show you the Giersbach waterfall with some winter mode, with some snow. Huh? Let's go. The quality is maybe not that good, but I try to do my best. Okay. The waterfall looks so small right now. Such a nice place, huh? The Giersbach has so less water. You know, this place is a power place. But for me, I only feel the power when I am alone here. Yeah, but you know me already. Yeah, I feel the energy when there are less people. I always wanted to visit it with some snow, but I missed every moment this winter, so that's why I'm here right now. Look mal, wie schön. Huh? If you ask, where is Rasta? He was still sleeping, so I thought, okay, so stay asleep. That's why he isn't here at the moment. And they have tourists here. They open at the weekend, I think. Sometimes they have concerts here too. In the background you can see some clouds moving in the area of Lake Brienz. So this is the selfie point. Yeah. I love the time when the lights are still on and the day is awakening. Und dann macht sich was puff und dann sind sie weg. Oh, so cool. Look wie schön. That was a really, really nice trip. Huh? So worthy to go up to Giersbachfälle. Oh, look at all. And now the mountains. Oh, my Switzerland. You are so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse of paradise, and I wish you a wonderful day. Focus on the good. Huh? It's not over yet. We have a little surprise for you. Look now at the chameau. You see it? Over there? Yeah, kind of mountain goat. They're not afraid. Cool. So schön. Do you see why I love to drive home all the times? Kom immer gern heim. Because it looks so beautiful. Genau darum. Leck, Bobi, ist das schön. And you know, I just stumble once and zack, I'm in paradise. Everywhere. Crazy. And now I buy some Gipfeli and then it's time for breakfast. And this is the end. Ciao.